Bosman, old chap, you're now on camera. Can you tell us about this piece of glass you're pushing around here?
I'm actually pushing a piece of concrete around.
Yes, I can see that, but I had to ask that question.
On top of the piece of 14 is aquarium glass, which I acquired from Paul Smith because he was too lazy to make it. And I got it when it was on the deck already, after 80 bricks. In March, and now it's December, and I'm now almost to the point where I can make a picture and start polishing it smooth after finishing 600 bricks. From then on we will see what the trick think in terms of figuring and polishing and all the rest of it. And in the meantime, the guys are busy designing a crash scope for me, several things. And we'll probably be using composites at least for the trusses, but maybe for the rest of the construction as well.
Okay, so tell me something. Why are we walking around this barrel?
Because it's much easier to walk around the barrel than try to turn the glass.
What on earth do you want to turn the glass for?
To create a sphere, you can get the randomness in, but you require to make a proper sphere. This sphere is so good that it's got stuck together twice already.
Can we have a look at the tool there?
How you look at the tool?
Okay, so how did you make this thing?
Ron made it for me. It was basically, we put in a sheet of concrete or a carpet of tiles onto the floor. We poured this concrete on top of it. And then he ground out the channels in between the tiles.
With an angle grinder?
Angle grinder, but you need to do that very carefully because if you leave concrete in between it, it scratches
on the glass.
On the glass.
Right.
Then I filled it up, or not totally filled up, but fill it up a bit with candle wax just to make it shallower so it will pick up the grit more easily and then lubricate the glass when you're polishing it, grinding it. Rather.
Very nice. So what F ratio are you going for here?
F5, it will give me a 1.8 meter telescope.
So the eyepiece will be just a little bit higher than what you are then?
Well, I have a little stand here, but if you take it that it's a 420 or it's a 370 millimeter piece of glass, that it will come down somewhat, so it will probably work at around 1.6, 1.7 meters from the mirror.
Oh, that's not too much of a step then.
Yeah.
And you're going to carry this thing around all by yourself, are you?
Well, I'm designing or hoping to design a system that can be carried by one person and set up in 5 minutes without too much trouble making. If you design it favorably enough, you will be able to do it.
Well, I wish you well, and maybe I'll video you when you're busy making the lap so we can see how that process goes.
Thank you. That should be next week.
Okay, cool. Cheers for now.